Look at these injectors. They haven't been touched since '95. You soak them overnight.
Got it. How about the hoses? Is it salvageable, boys?
The frame rails are completely shot, sir. And look at these bushings. We're looking at a full engine replacement here.
Absolutely. The frame is barely holding together. This is going to take months.
We can't go that high with this much rust.
This truck is a piece of history, son. It's worth the investment.
Thank you, Evan. Thank you kindly. We appreciate the business.
Thank you kindly. It means a lot.
Keep coming back. You're clear on this side. Okay, hold it right there. I'm hooking up the chains now. Make sure it's seated right on that main rail, not the bumper bracket.
Got it, just like you showed us. Slow it down, easy now. Watch the clearance. All right, hold it right there, we're set. That should hold her. Yep.
Solid. All right, we're good to go. Drive safe.
All right, chains are loose. Go ahead and tilt it down. Copy that. Coming down slowly.
Look at this grill. We're gonna need a full replacement. And the engine bay is completely seized. This will take months. The rust goes deep on this one. Yeah, she's seen better days. Easy now, easy. Okay, spin it off and drop it in the bucket. Try the top one next. All right, on three. 1, 2, 3. Ugh, heavy. Clear the door now. All right, take the tension up slowly. Watch the clearance on the right. Clear on this side. Easy as easy now. Try using the pry bar on that clamp.
Okay, I got it. Where to next?
Go for the main harness near the firewall. Okay, easy now. She's tilting starboard. Watch the firewall.
Got it, bringing it up slowly. Clear on your side.
We're gonna have to reinforce the frame near the cab mount.
Yeah, the rust is worse than I thought there.
Check that out. It's the Autobot symbol.
Look there, right there. Right there. See it? Wow, the Autobot logo. That is incredible.
Check this hairline right here.
Yeah, I see it. We'll need to reinforce that section. Okay, that's aligned.
Clamp, clamp, back.
Clamp. Let's get this bolted.
That's a strong bead right there.
Agreed, nice and steady. We're definitely gonna need the sandblaster for this rust.
Yeah, grab the bigger attachments while you're there.
Keep that vacuum closer. I'm almost through the seam.
It's sitting perfectly level right here.
Confirmed on the tablet, we're good to go.
Hold it right there, tight to the seam.
All right, here we go. Setting the first tack.
Solid penetration right there.
Yeah, that'll hold up. The surface prep is spot on. We made sure every inch was perfect, boss. Looks good on the weight. Ratios are perfect for the Peterbilt. We're ready for the booth. Hold it right there, clear on the left side. Okay, drop it another inch, easy. That's the torque spec. Move to the next one. Looks solid. Looks centered. Send it. Got the hanger secured back here. A little more to the right. Easy now.
Here we go.
Okay, I think that's it. It just clicked in.
That's torqued.
Okay, moving to the next flange. Make sure you got it lined up. Make sure the clamps on the air intake are torqued correctly.
Yeah, and check the tension on that serpentine belt too while you're there. These new components look solid. Are we ready to install the springs?
Yeah, the specs on the tablet match the parts. Let's get the airbags ready.
All right, feel the brake?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, next bolt. Try tightening the lumbar support right there.
Okay, that feels much better.
And the door panel is flush. Looks good. That look right. Push it firmly until it clicks.
Perfect, that's seated properly now.
Wow.
My name is Optimus Prime.
No way!